Saints of God, O holy witness, lights that guide us on our way. Through your lives the Lord was honored, in his love you chose to stay. Now you stand before his presence, robed in white and crowned with grace, lifting prayers for all God's people, calling us to seek his face. From the cross Christ spoke with mercy. See a mother take her hand, and to Mary see your children, lead them to the promised land. Through the saints his love still reaches, through their prayers his grace is known, not to steal the Father's glory, but to make his greatness shown.